Hello everyone, SD Mountain Man. Should be a Canteen Cup Tuesday, or I need to get a grilled cheese. Colin Kincaid, he's got a grilled cheese challenge going right now. You're gonna go check that out, and he's gonna make a playlist of all them, and try. I'm gonna do that here. I'll probably do that tomorrow. But right now I got mail call. I got mail call from Cal's Tracks and Trails. Really cool. I know what's in it, but really cool. Whoops, upside down here. Got it last week, some point there, and I think it was last week. Last week, or was it over the week? I can't remember. I think it was last week. And he sent me a message on Facebook Messenger, asked if I got it. So, yeah, I did. I just hadn't got the mail call done yet, but his girlfriend had patches made. That is so cool. Let me bring it up here. That is really wild. So this is his camp. Hope you can see that. Yeah, that's his camp. You can see he's tarping his hammock there, fire. Yeah, that's really cool. So thanks, Cal. I really appreciate that. That'll go on my backpack, and yeah, I got plenty of caps, and everybody knows that. Everybody does that have the patch on it too, so it'll make its way back and forth. But anyway, that's my mail call. Thank you, Cal. That's really cool. That was really nice of your girlfriend. Anyway, I gotta get ready to head back to work here in a little bit. I got a job to take care of tonight. They stood me up last week Monday, so we're hopefully they're ready tonight so we can get it done. But anyway, that's it for me. Everybody, take care. SD Mountain Man out.